Hi guys, happy Christmas Eve. I made the man in the moon for like the Christmas Eve bubble bar to celebrate Christmas Eve. So Santa will be flying across the moon like in the night before, 'twas the night before Christmas. And you know, that's why I'm in my pajamas. Okay, you're gonna start by making a fish base. And I've shown how to make a fish base before, but I'll just quickly do it again. You fold on the diagonal. You can do both diagonals if you want. I'm going to just in case. You take one side and you fold it into the midpoint and unfold, and then do the opposite side and fold it into the midpoint. And then you should try to fold both sides in to the midpoint at the same time, and then a little edge should be popping up like that. You want to fold it over to one side and then fold it over to the other side. Do the same exact thing on the opposite side of the paper. And then you'll have your fish base. But we're going to fold it in half the long way. And then figure out which way you want the moon pointing. I think most of the time it's pointing to the left. I don't know why, but I think it is. So this one in the front, the little flap in the front is going to be the nose. The little flap in the back is going to be the mouth. And then the two long flaps are going to make up the moon. So, you take the front little flap that's going to be the nose, and you fold this folded edge over to the midpoint of the model. Boom! Nose! You can leave it like that, or you can shape it a little bit more, like fold down the edge like that a little bit just to shape it a little bit more, or fold it in like this to give it some more shape. Like that. And then just kind of squash it all down. Like that. Then you want to take the back side one and make sure that it's pointing downward, like the nose is pointing upward. And then fold it up like that. And then do a squash fold. And that's the mouth, like the lips. Then to make the eye, you make a right angle fold, so like you fold it so that on top of the fold lines up with on the bottom of the fold. And then you kind of do a step fold, but it's not parallel. It's kind of fanned out a little bit so that it's kind of like you're making a triangle. So you make that fold down and then you make this triangle like that. And then you do a similar thing on the other side. So you fold, this time you fold down first, and then you fold up like that. And then that's the eye. And then very simply you just do a couple more step folds, and you can maneuver it as however you want. Basically, the way you make it curve like the moon is you make both of the folds start at the same point on the back side of the moon, and then it makes a triangular shape so that it's wider at the front side of the moon. Just like that.
All right, you chipmunks.